I'm sure you guessed what we're making today, homemade sweetened iced tea. Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. Start by adding 1 iced tea pitcher bag to a large pitcher. If you don't have a large pitcher tea bag, you can also use 8 bags of black iced tea as well. Add in 2 cups of boiling water to the pitcher, and then I like to use a spatula to mix in the tea bag for a moment just to ensure it's steeping. Let that sit and steep for about 5 to 10 minutes. It will also start to smell amazing. In a small pot, add 170 grams of cane sugar and 1 cup of water. Put over medium heat and whisk until the sugar has dissolved. Once the simple syrup is done, remove the tea bag from the pitcher. Then pour the simple syrup over the tea and stir to combine. Add in the remaining 5 cups of water and give it a little stir again. I like to cut up a lemon into slices and add this into the tea. This part is totally optional, but it gives it a little flavor and it makes it look super pretty. Place the pitcher in the fridge, and as soon as it's cool, it's ready to serve. You can serve this over ice with a lemon wedge or even with a splash of cream if you like. If you want more easy organic recipes like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen.